Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This is Sector 43. Today we're on a plot size of 360 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Now, let's get started with the touring of the property. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal dining space of the house, and this is the living space of the house. This is like formal living space come dining space. It's a whole lot area which is open and visible to you. On the surface, you've got the natural stone. Towards your left, you see this is a plain wall which has a provisioning for the air conditioning system. Above me you see a small beautiful square shaped ceiling design and a fan installed. This hallway is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is a huge door size window which has a slider UPVC. This is the balcony space of the house. This is the natural stone which has toughened glasses, and over the walls that you see you've got the textured paint. थोड़ा सा आसपास का surroundings एक बारी दिखा दीजिए please. I'll ask my colleague to showcase the surroundings of the location. This is a main road property, so once you enter inside the premises in the RWA door, you hit your property towards the left. ऊपर में लाइट्स भी दी हुई हैं अच्छी राउंड शेप में. You've got the modular switches. This is the entrance of the property. This area will be considered as the foyer area, and this is an engineered wood placed just bang opposite to the entrance. यहाँ पर आप कोई आर्टिस्टिक पेंटिंग लगा सकते हैं और बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. इसमें लाइट्स का प्रोविजनिंग ऊपर सारा दिया हुआ है. This is a shaft which you can utilize for your materialist, disposals. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका डाइनिंग सेक्शन है. You've got the air conditioner system. यहाँ पर आपका प्लेसिंग हो जाएगा. ऊपर में आपको फैन दिया हुआ है. This is a huge square shaped ceiling which has recessed LED strip lights all over. This is the first bedroom of the house. Over the flooring you've got the natural stone. Towards your left, a plain wall. Towards my front you've got the plain wall. Towards my right you've got the plain wall for your customizations. That's the place where your Daikin का एयर कंडीशनर आप लगा सकते हैं या किसी भी कंपनी का प्रोविजनिंग दिया हुआ है. मॉड्यूलर स्विचेस हैं आपका. Recessed LED lights ऊपर में दी हुई है सीलिंग में. A beautiful design above me. You will see a fan by Havells. This is the balcony space of the first bedroom of the house. Natural stone on the surface. You've got the wet area tap, drainage vessel. This is all textured. भाई बड़ा सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी बनाया हुआ है. लग भी इतना एलिगेंट रहा है कि अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पर आराम से आप अपना कपड़े धोने का स्टैंड या मे बी कुछ भी आप झूला वगैरह यहाँ पर आप लगा सकते हैं. This is how the location is gonna look like if you see. This is a UPVC. इसमें mesh नहीं है. mesh के लिए provisioning हो सकता है इसमें. This is the closet section. Towards my left, you've got the natural stone on the surface. Over the walls you've got the tiling, a glass channel to bifurcate the shower area. That's your rain head small one, wall mounted commode seat, a beautiful natural stone countertop, a vanity by Vitra, and you've got the cabinetries down here, and the geyser is by Venus. You've got the exhaust fan by Finolex. Let's get inside the second one. This is the second bedroom of the house, which has the wooden flooring on the surface, comes with a warranty of around 10 years. You've got the provisioning for the air conditioning system towards your left. Above me you see a small edgy ceiling design. You see also a fan by Havells. Since this is a corner property, so the natural sunlight will flow in automatically. This is like the USP and advantage. आसपास में आप देखेंगे सराउंडिंग्स में ग्रीनरी अच्छा है और this is like a 3-side open plot where we are parked. Second bedroom is also connected with the washroom here, but before we get inside the washroom, this is the movable closet that you'll get. This is the washroom space. You've got the natural stone on the countertop, cabinetries down there, a beautiful vanity. Sanitary fittings are by Kohler. You've got the glass channel to bifurcate the wet area. Again, on the surface you'll see the tiling work, and on the walls you'll see the designer tiles. This is a wall mounted commode seat that you'll get, and you've got the exhaust fan as well. This is a running shelf given to you. Second bedroom का जो washroom है, ये powder room भी act करेगा क्योंकि ये उधर से खुलता है. So for your guest, it will be convenient for your guest to use this. This is the hallway area, the living space, the dining section. This is your powder room. The same powder room that we have showed you before. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the house, which is this one. On the surface, you've got the natural stone. This is the plain wall left for your customization. This wall is also left for your customization. And towards the ceiling, this is a simple ceiling design that you'll get. Air conditioning का यहाँ पर provisioning हुआ हुआ है. ये डिज़ाइन बिल्कुल अलग तरीके का दिया हुआ है इस कमरे के अंदर. इसके साथ में आपका रनिंग बालकनी कनेक्ट होती है जो आपका 4th बेडरूम और किचन के साथ में कनेक्टेड है. This is a huge balcony that is connected with the 3rd, 4th and the kitchen. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका balcony है यहाँ पर. This is the granite top that you'll get. This is the natural granite countertop. That's your drainage vessel. This is your wet area where the tap is installed, and this is all UPVC. थोड़ा सा back side से surroundings एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. You talk about the small and tiny things. You've got the MC Havells का लगा हुआ है इसमें. This is a good quality door. That's your closet section. This is your washroom space. You've got the glass channel again to bifurcate the wet area. Sanitary fittings are by Kohler. A granite natural stone. Beautiful vanity. Cabinetries down. Surface tiles. And on the walls you've got designer tile. This is the wall mounted commode seat. And this is your geyser. So let's step out and get inside the 4th bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom of the house. Again, you've got the natural stone on the surface. This is for your customization, a plain wall. That's the place where you'll be placing your air conditioner. We have given you the provisioning. ऊपर में फॉल सीलिंग में ग्रुपिंग दी हुई है और recessed LED strip lights लगी हुई हैं. Above me you'll see a small fan. This is also connected with the balcony at the back side. The same balcony. Please step out and showcase. This is the closet area. I mean that you call the dresser's room. यहाँ पर आप एक मिरर लगा सकते हैं. This is your washroom space. Again a glass channel to bifurcate the wet area. This is the granite countertop and a beautiful vanity by Witra, wall mounted commode seat. All the sanitary fittings are by Kohler. On the surface you've got the tiling work. Over the walls you've got the designer tiles. You can place a mirror out here. This is again, I am back inside the dining section. This is your kitchen. Towards my left you'll see on the walls you've got the tiling work done. नीचे floor पे भी tiling हुआ हुआ है. इस पे भी सारा tiles लगा हुआ है. This is like skid tiles. यहाँ पर में you can keep your OTG. This is the place where you'll park your oven. This is the grooving space for your cabinets. A running shelf which is given here. यहाँ पर में cabinets बने हुए हैं. You see the space. This is the place where you place your hob and chimney. That's again the cabinet storage. This is a long sink which has a vessel which will be connected. यहाँ पर में पूरा आपको मिलेगा काम होके. This is your stuff to keep your cutlery. This way you can place your refrigerator, and above you place your refrigerator, you've got some space to keep up your materials. This is also a space given to you. ये आपका सिलेंडर का नोजल दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. This is where you connect your cylinder for cooking. You can keep it outside, you do not have to keep inside. And over the walls, if you see, you've got the placing for your air conditioner externals. This is the geyser provisioning. Geyser दिया हुआ है और सामने में भी गीज़र लगा के दिया हुआ है. एक्सटर्नल AC की आप प्रोविजनिंग आपको दी हुई है. यहाँ पर आपकी मशीन्स लगेंगी. So this was all about the 360 square yards plot as we have just shown you. Finally, time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching me. This was Anupam Gambhir live from Estair Experts. Don't forget to give us a call on the number listed below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you so very much. See ya. Bye bye.